Happy Monday. It's been a minute since I made a video. I took a little break with the holidays, New Year. I was tired, but I told you I was coming back, and I'm back. So, y'all remember a few months ago when I told y'all sometimes the earth will provide you with the context and the content. I probably didn't say it that way, but I'm saying it that way now. But anyway, so last week I was so ready to make another video. But then something happened. I had to factory reset my phone. Factory reset. It's all gone. Sometimes people, you just gotta hit a factory reset and just start it all over. It's okay. That's how it happens sometimes. I mean, what else can you do? Sometimes you get a little bit of the structure back, some of it you won't, but hey, that thing feel new, baby. So that's my question to all of us this week. What are we gonna do a factory reset on and just start over? Some of the foundational things may still be there. The groundwork may still be there, but just starting over, starting from scratch, something brand new, baby. So, as we go through this week, what are you gonna factory reset on? And as always, a like, subscribe, share. Happy New Year, my people. We back, baby. It's gonna be a good one. And I'll see y'all in the next one.